My name is Marianne Fairbanks, and together with Erica Hess, we founded a company called Hello Loom in 2019. While weaving has been around for tens of thousands of years, Hello Loom innovates on the loom itself by making it small and portable and accessible. So the innovation really comes in the scale and the tutorials that we create to make weaving really accessible and easy to get started. So anyone is invited to come and join in the act of weaving. Like many other craft forms, whether it's knitting or crochet, it's fun to take a project on the go or to be able to have access to it. And so the innovation with Hello Loom is that we're providing that. So in the past, weavers were sort of tied to a floor loom or a big frame loom. But here with Hello Looms, we're making it small, roughly the size of a cell phone, and making it something you put in your pocket and take with you on the go. Erica and I are really enthusiastic about providing people the tools that they need to get started. And one thing we've noticed is that tutorials are a huge part of that. So because we're both educators, we're able to create videos and resources to support people in their mission to weave. In 2018, we started working with WARF, the Wisconsin Alumni Research Foundation, to get some design patents for the way that the Hello Loom is designed. And we are really proud to hold 2 patents for the technology and the design itself of the loom.